jump in terror, but the frightening pink hand with nails will find her everywhere, even on a playground. Now it's Cindy chasing me all over the castle. She watches me from the highest tower. I decide to take a pink cabriolet to flee from her, but she still catches me. Cindy seizes my pink hand. Now it's her trophy. We definitely need some flowers on this table for a complete look. Cindy runs away to make a surprise. She seems to have been away for ages, and she comes back with some kind of a flower pot that looks like a fire engine. No, this is way too much. It definitely doesn't match to a decent interior. It looks like my friend is going to bring all the plants from a greenhouse here. She keeps offering different flower arrangements. Cindy is a persistent florist, but Redhead isn't happy with any flower pots. One flower pot looks too boring. Another is too pretentious. At last, her friend finds a creative solution. She brings a flower pineapple. Cut artificial flowers off the stems. Hot glue them to a pineapple. Cover the entire fruit. Finally, Cindy manages to satisfy her friend's refined taste. This blooming pineapple will make a wonderful centerpiece. It will make the interior exclusive. Redhead can't stop admiring Cindy's fruit flower arrangement. Window shopping is our favorite meditation. There are so many things here: donut earrings, forks and spoons, and a pretty keychain. Trace a logo of a famous brand on gingerbread. Use a food marker. Cut it out with a utility knife. Cover it with edible silver paint. Use edible glue to attach an eye pin with a keychain on top. Redhead scrutinizes the keychain. It smells like real gingerbread. Let's taste it. You can eat it without any doubt. But it's a pity that a bitten keychain is not a great decoration for my purse anymore. Let's finish the gingerbread. Cindy has bought a lot of things again. Packages even fall out of her hands. I will try to put my friend's purchases in order with my capacious and creative bag while she's talking on her phone. Cut off sleeves of a t-shirt you don't need anymore. Cut the bottom into strips like wide fringe. Tie up the strips. Pull them up to make fabric rolls. Decorate the bag with felt embellishments. All the stuff will fit into this spacey t-shirt bag. Put it onto your shoulder and free your hand to take a phone. Comfy and handy. Besides, it is eco-friendly as you don't need any plastic bags. Redhead is in a girl's treasure shop. Hairpins, pendants, bracelets. You don't even know where to look first. I will sneak in a necklace made out of natural products for my friend. I bet she won't notice the difference. Attach short pasta into a V shape. Join 4 details together. Cover it with acrylic paint. Thread a bead onto a pin. Cut off the excess. Bend the pin in a hook. Put on a jump ring. Press the pin hook to make a ring. Put a chain on another jump ring and add a lobster clasp. Attach the middle of the chain to the pasta pendant. Coat it with clear acrylic lacquer. Redhead is trying on hairpins, and meanwhile, I hang my eco-friendly necklace on the stand. I should start a pasta jewelry factory. My friend won't pass it by. As I assumed, Redhead doesn't suspect anything, and she decides to buy my creative accessory. Did you like our new pranks? Then write in your comments how you will prank your friends in the mall. And don't forget to give your thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so that you don't miss new ideas of funny pranks on the Troom channel.